Hello and welcome to my channel. I am your Eat Green, Be Lean goddess, Deborah Clark, and I am here to continue with All About Lemons series part 2. So today I want to give you the 8 top reasons that you should drink lemon water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Okay, there are some tons of health benefits and I want to give those to you. Number 1 is lemon water protects our bodies against the immune system deficiencies and is rich in vitamin C, and it helps to fight the body's infection and or germs that you might be exposed to. Number 2, it maintains the pH levels in our body. When our pH levels are compromised, that can create digestive tract issues, i.e. high blood pressure for some of those who are experiencing that. So this will help by keeping your pH balance in control. You will help eliminate some of those issues and problems that you may have. Number 3, detox. There's several ways in which to detox. There's plenty of conversation out here about it. I prefer the simplest method. Drinking a glass of lemon water first thing in the morning will help to flush those toxins out that have been lying dormant in your body all night long. So when you wake up in the morning, drink the lemon water, helps flush out the toxins. Number 4, drinking lemon water first thing in the morning, like I said, it helps the digestive system run smoothly. The citric acid in the lemons, when it interacts with the enzymes in your stomach, it helps to stimulate the secretion of the gastric juices, i.e. helps rinse you out. Number 5, lemon water is also beneficial to our liver. There's been plenty of studies that have shown that liver produces more enzymes in the body when in the presence of lemon water than any other food that we consume. So I'd like to also take this time to ask you to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications so that you will be aware of my up and coming videos as I post them. Moving on to number 6, lemon water is packed with anti-inflammatory properties. This can help cure a host of respiratory tract infections. One in particular, tonsillitis, if you have swollen tonsils and or if you have a sore throat, which we are all familiar with, those being some of the reasons to consume lemon water warm in particular. Number 7, lemon water has a host of vitamins, potassium, magnesium, calcium, of course, vitamin C, and this also helps with your cholesterol levels in the body. Number 8 is the obvious choice, or the obvious one, is that it helps us to fight off fat and it helps to decrease your appetite throughout the day, which that is absolutely the truth. If you start your morning off drinking lemon water, it will help curb your appetite. It does lower cholesterol and it does prevent you from overeating. Those are my top 8 choices for drinking lemon water on an empty stomach. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the comment section, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for tuning in.